How can I troubleshoot issues with my PLDT cell phone service?
Hello there. Having issues with your PLDT cell phone service? Don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we will walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to troubleshoot common issues you may encounter with your PLDT cell phone service.
Is it a device or network problem?
The first step in troubleshooting is determining whether the issue lies with your device or the network itself. Device issues are typically localized to your phone and may include things like not being able to make calls or send texts, whereas network issues often affect a larger area or multiple devices and can include problems like intermittent signal or complete loss of service. Try checking if other devices are also experiencing the same issues or if your phone has issues only when connected to the PLDT network. You can also try turning your device off and on again or resetting your device's network settings.
What are the most common issues?
Some of the most common issues that you may encounter include no signal, slow data speed, inability to send or receive messages, and problems making or receiving calls. To troubleshoot these issues, 1. No signal. Make sure you are in an area with network coverage. If the issue persists, try turning your phone off and back on again, or try toggling airplane mode on and off. 2. Slow data speed. Check if you've reached your data limit. If you haven't, try to reset your network settings or restart your phone. 3. Unable to send or receive messages, call. Check if your account has sufficient balance. If it does, verify that your message center number or call barring settings are correct.
Have you contacted customer support?
If you've gone through all these steps and the issue persists, the best course of action is to contact PLDT customer support. Provide them with all the relevant details about the issue you're facing. This will help them resolve your issue faster. And that's it. Troubleshooting your PLDT cell phone service doesn't have to be a daunting task. Remember, determining whether the issue is with your device or the network, understanding the common issues, and contacting customer support if necessary, are key steps towards a solution. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. Stay connected and have a great day.